Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making Ponche de Crème, a classic Trinidadian drink that's infused with the flavors of the Caribbean. You're gonna enjoy every sip of this delicious drink. So, let's get started. So getting things started, let me know down in the comments how you pronounce this drink, because I've heard it pronounced different ways depending on who I ask. I've heard Ponche de Crème, I've heard Ponche de Crème, so let me know how you pronounce it if you're familiar with this drink. But diving right in a large bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, you want to zest 1 lime and add that to the bowl, as well as 3 large eggs. And you want to beat the eggs with the lime zest on medium-high speed for about 3 minutes or until the eggs are frothy. And once they look like this, you want to reduce the mixer speed to low speed and add in 17 ounces worth of evaporated milk, followed by 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. You want to continue mixing this for about 2 minutes. And now you want to slowly add in 1 to 1.5 cups worth of white rum, depending on how strong you want this drink to be. Keep mixing that for another 2 minutes. And finally, you want to add in half a teaspoon's worth of grated nutmeg, as well as 2 teaspoons of Angostura Bitters, and mix that for 1 more minute. And with that, the base of our Ponche de Crème is made. Hey everybody, I just wanted to drop in real quick to say I appreciate all your support by watching the video thus far. And what will really help me out is if you hit that like button too. It helps boost this video's performance on YouTube so that more people can see this recipe. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too. And make sure you also tap that bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. So now you want to strain this through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher or a large container. And for serving this drink, you want to serve it in glasses filled with ice. And for garnishment, I like adding a light dusting of nutmeg to the top of each drink. And this recipe creates enough Ponche de Crème for 4 servings. And just like that, you've made Ponche de Crème right at home. This is a delicious drink for the holiday season. I hope you all give this a try, and if you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can be sure to check out your take on this recipe. And do remember that this recipe does contain raw eggs, so make sure to use pasteurized eggs for this recipe. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this drink, and if you did, make sure to smash this like button for me. It really helps out the channel. It's one of the best ways to show support. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Victor, and welcome to Chef Vic Cuisine. I like to create new recipes each and every week that you can make at home for yourself, your family, or your friends. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button too. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make an amazing breakfast meal, lox and bagel. So easy to make, yet so filling and delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Check out my recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so let's see if they're right. And I'll see you guys next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.